In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rounded corners on a shape in Adobe Photoshop step by step in the easiest way possible. This is a super useful skill whether you're designing buttons, banners, thumbnails, UI mockups, or just want cleaner, softer looking shapes in your artwork. And the best part is, Photoshop gives you more than one way to do it, so you can choose the method that feels easiest for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to your left-hand toolbar and look for the Shape Tools group. You may see a rectangle icon there, or you may need to click and hold on it to reveal the full list of shape tools. From that menu, select the rectangle tool. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also just press U on your keyboard to cycle to the shape tools. Once the rectangle tool is active, you're ready to draw. Now click and drag on your canvas to create your shape. This can be a rectangle or a square, depending on what you need. If you want a perfect square, hold down Shift while you drag. As soon as you release your mouse, take a close look at the shape. You should notice 4 tiny blue circles inside the corners of the shape's bounding area. These are called live corner widgets, and they are what allow you to round the corners quickly and visually. To round the corners manually, simply click one of those small blue corner widgets and drag it inward toward the center of the shape. As you do that, all 4 corners will begin to curve at the same time. This is the fastest method if you want a smooth visual adjustment and don't need exact measurements. You can drag the corners more or less depending on how rounded you want the shape to be. If you want a subtle curve, move them only a little. If you want a more dramatic rounded look, drag them further inward. If you want more precision, Photoshop also lets you set the corner radius numerically. For that, go to the top menu and choose Window, then Properties. This opens the Properties panel if it isn't already visible. Once the panel is open, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. Near the bottom, look for the corner radius input fields. These are usually shown with a small curve icon, which makes them easy to identify. If you want all 4 corners to stay the same, make sure the link icon in the center is turned on. That way, when you enter a value in one corner, it applies evenly to all corners. Then simply type in the pixel amount you want, such as 20 pixels or 50 pixels, depending on the style you're going for. Photoshop will instantly update the shape and give it clean, rounded corners with exact control. This method is especially helpful if you're working on professional designs where consistency matters. For example, if you're making interface elements, social media graphics, or branded layout pieces, using a fixed corner radius keeps everything looking neat and uniform. It also saves time because you don't have to guess by dragging each corner manually. So, to quickly recap, you first select the rectangle tool, then draw your shape, and then round the corners either by dragging the live corner widgets or by entering a precise value in the Properties panel. Both methods are easy, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop guides, beginner tutorials, and time-saving design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.